Let's get started. 10 minutes Pilates toning, 1, 2, 3 pound weights, heels together, toes apart, shoulders melted away from your ears, standing nice, tall, and erect. Arms go up to the ceiling and then around. Ready, go, up and around. Again, straight up to the ceiling and then around. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Engage the core. Right here. 10 minutes. Pilates, sculpt, and tone. Thank you for coming with me today. I'm so glad you're here. Loving it. Big smile on your face. Nothing like a nice Pilates sculpt and tone. Lightweight, but boy, do we get the job done. So make sure you're really nice and warmed up before you come and do this 10-minute Pilates sculpt and tone with me. Couple more. I want you to stand up nice and tall. Make sure you're picking the appropriate weight. No weight is required, but I do not want higher than a 3-pound weight on each side. So no more than 3 pounds, because we're gonna go 10 minutes straight. So we're gonna work a lot of muscle endurance. Woo, right here. Now take it halfway, in, and out. Let's take our arms halfway, in, out, and down. Feeling good. Halfway, take it in, halfway, and down. Again, halfway, curl it in, halfway out. Now all the way down. Last time. Out, in, out, and down. Roll your shoulders really quick. Roll your shoulders. One more. Are you ready? Small circles forward. Touch the weights. Now take it about little below belly button height. Very slow. Trust me, you're gonna burn in the 10 minutes that I have you here. Now take it a little higher. Chest height. Circle. Circle. Woo! Burning. 4, 3, 2. Now roll. Roll it back. We're going to reverse that in 4, 3, chest height, circle reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, chest height. 4, 3, 2. Now take the circles to the belly button. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Just shake and roll. Do whatever you need to do right here. Now, we're going to take our arms forward, up, out, over your head, and down. Thumbs up, forward, out, over your head, and down. We have 8. That was 2. Up, out, over your head, and down. Again, up, out, over your head, and down. 4 more. Thumbs up. Straight, out to the side, over your head, and down. 3 more. Thumbs up. Forward, out, over your head, straight down. 2 more. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Straight forward, straight out, over your head, and down. Last time. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Forward, out, over your head, and down. Just shake it out for me. Roll, do whatever's comfortable. Heels together, toes apart. Roll the shoulders back down and away from your ears. Palms up right here. We're gonna just take our arms forward and we're gonna take them back. Elbow right by your rib cage. Serve a tray forward and come back. Again, serve a tray forward and come back. 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 Last 4. You got it, you got it. Serve that tray forward. Sit up tall. 3 more. Serve the tray forward and come back. Last 2. Serve the tray forward and come back. Last time. Serve the tray forward. Come back. I want you to just roll. I want you to just quickly shake it out. Put both weights in one hand. Feet are hip width apart now. Hinging from the hip. Row it back. I'm going to show you from the side. Row back, elbow back and down. I want to hit that back. So up and down. This is a perfect 10-minute workout for people who sit on their computer all day long. We're working a lot of back extension in this Pilates sculpted 10-minute workout. So take it back and down. Elbow slides right past your rib cage. So you're hinging from the hip. Your weight is in your heels, so you have no tension in that low back whatsoever. If you're feeling a little tension, just sit up a little more, but this is back work, working your lats and your rhomboids. Give me 2 more. Back and back. Okay, put both weights in the other hand. Hinge from the hip, slightly forward. Weight in the back of your heels and elbow. I'm going to show you from the side. Elbow just skims the side of that rib cage. Really feeling your back muscles engaging. Belly button to the spine. You want a nice, strong core. Right here. Really important we work our back muscles. A lot of us sit all day, or we have a job that we are required to sit. Very important we work our back extensors because we're usually in a protracted forward position for most of our day. So I want to make sure I work that. 4, 3, you should feel your back working. 2, and 1. Okay, so now we're going to work our back just a little more. So what I'm going to have you do, feet are hip width apart, right here. You're going to hinge from your hip, and we're going to punch forward, punch forward, punch forward. So we are working our back extensors. The weight is coming right by our ears, and we're punching forward. We're hinging from the hip. There's no tension in the low back. You have the weight in your heels, so shift the weight back. Hinge from your hip and punch forward. So punch it forward. Don't worry about the beat of the music. Working those back extensors. Punching it. Punching it. This is a great 10-minute workout if you sit on your computer all day. Give me 4 more. Don't worry about the beat. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Really quick. You're going to take your weight, thumbs up. You're going to bring them over the crown of your head, and you're going to come up on your toes. Right here, I want you to stretch that rib cage. I want you to engage the back extensors, engage your core, come up on your tippy toes. Right here, now I'm going to have you take your feet down. You're going to reach up right, reach up left, right, and left. Reach up right, reach up left. You have a wall in front of you. You have a wall behind you. I don't care how fast or how slow you want to reach up. That is up to you. So reach and reach. Let's go. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll those shoulders back. And that was your Pilates Sculpt and Tone.